Hi, I'm Chris Norwood, and I'm on a journey to hear every song ever recorded. Excuse me. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell now. Now, today's video is going to be a little bit different. Anytime I get a package from Amazon, which is a lot, I like to, if I can remember, I do unboxing videos. It's not my typical subject matter. I'm usually ranking albums and reviewing albums and things like that, but I like to do unboxing videos. If you're a music nerd, subscribe. If you're looking for some good products on Amazon, subscribe. I got an Amazon box here on the front porch, and I've already opened this up a little bit because I got multiple items and I'm doing multiple unboxing videos. So I've already popped the plastic. You got to watch the other video to see the plastic unpopped. There we go. We got some natural lighting here for you guys, for your viewing pleasure. The box is already open. You're not going to be able to see my address. Ooh, what is this? This looks very nice. Very nice box within a box type setup. You got handles. Very, very cool box. We're going to get rid of this lame old box. We're going to see what this is. It says SONORO Kate. It says number 8. It's got a barcode on here. And on this barcode, it says X001X8K5YZ, like zebra. SONORO Kate bed sheet S set S IC 4-piece full navy blue, new, made in China. If you are unfamiliar, China is a country on the globe of Earth. It's actually located on Earth, and we're going to get into the deets for you guys. This arrived today. It has arrived, and I believe it's going to be, yeah, that right there. The price actually went down on this. This has been in my wish list for a while on Amazon. It was delivered today. The price went down. I believe it was 41. It was like a lot more, but I paid $45.90 for it. I got it in navy blue. There's a whole bunch of different colors that you can get. I wanted some really quality sheets, and I think these are like the best, the highest thread count that I could afford. What are these? These are 1800 thread count. I got the full size because that's the size of my bed. It's a really nice box. I could have paid $45 for this cardboard box. That would have been awesome. With nothing inside of it. Unboxing, reboxing. Man. Very nice carrying case. If you ever need to carry your bed sheets around with you, like when you go to business meetings. Oh, very nice packaging. This is like a, ooh, very, very high thread count. We are now ripping open the plastic. We're now the plastic is off. Static electricity has not been a problem thus far. of matches my shirt. Kind of matches my eyes. Oh man, I'm not good at knots, but I'm good at this one. Oh my, that is fancy. Never had anything packaged like this. Unless it's from like Bespoke Post. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Terrible at knots. I might not do that on camera. Anyway, 1800 thread count. Oh man. Oh man. Check it out. So you got, I think you got a whole set here. You've got these are Egyptian sheets from China, of course. But you've got 4 pieces. You got this piece. That'd be excellent for a blanket fort. My neighbors think I'm crazy. I'm totally going to use these for YouTube videos. I'm going to make some extra cringe. Let's see what else we got here. There's a this is something called a pillowcase. And this appears to be some sort of secondary pillowcase. What is this though? This appears to be more material. This is something called a fitted sheet. It fits. Now I'm going to film myself using these items. Really the only way to do that is to go to sleep, okay? Might as well. I'm waiting on my video camera battery to start charging. So